As a gay Igbo king who is glowy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, doing all the things that are wonderful, amazing, unique, super cool, I got ready because I have somewhere to go. Put on all my lip gloss, did what I do always. My outfit was tea. My man was driving, we went out, we did all the good things that a juicy gay man does and do. Like me, I am living my life freely. I do not need permission from anybody to be gay, to be queer, to be LGBTQIA+. I do not need your approval. You can tell me that I will be arrested by Jesus. That is your problem. It has everything to do with you. My friend and his wife brought me some wonderful food. My dear, the jollof rice was everything. And I have some soup as well. So I made this jollof rice quickly. I warmed it up. My man loves a good African food, so we had the jollof rice together and then cuddled up on the sofa